Hello everyone, welcome to Stroke, Strike Out Stroke, an innovative application designed to control the healthy lifestyle of stroke patients. But before we delve into the details, let's meet the incredible individuals driving this initiative. Allow me to introduce Team CH2PS208. In the table of contents, we covered these guidelines. In Indonesia, stroke is the leading cause of death. In a country like Indonesia, where stroke is a pressing concern, our project plays a crucial role in enhancing awareness and care. This is why we choose the theme, and it highlights the urgency to address a significant public health issue. Today, we present a Stroke project, a solution to address this urgent problem by providing a comprehensive mobile application focused on awareness, prevention, and post-stroke care. Our team is committed to utilizing technology as a catalyst for change. The Stroke app aims to provide dietary recommendations, detect early signs of stroke, and health articles. Our ultimate goal is to reduce the impact of stroke in Indonesia and improve the quality of life for survivors.
Okay, thank you. Based on research findings, we discovered several applications addressing a similar issue ours, like apps Hope After Strokes, Stroke Discometers, and Taxidermy Strokes. In contrast, the Strokes project standards out by offering a comprehensive solutions. And then improvements we have implemented in the Stroke apps. First, we start with the splash screens. Gateway the splash screens the Stroke experience. And then one of our standout features in the stroke predictions, the design's prioritize clarity, risk predictions. And then moving on to the food recommendation features, present personalized food suggestions in visualization paintings. And then our healthy article selections in the blends of nichings, designs, elements, and informative content. And the last, our premium features and exceptional features. It is beyond the basic offerings of the apps. Thank you.
In machine learning, we developed two features, stroke detection and food recommendation. We obtained the dataset from Kaggle and scraping from Web Panganku. The total of 22 columns in the stroke prediction dataset, we utilized 12 columns for the stroke detection and 4 columns for food recommendation. Here is a summary of our machine learning models. For stroke detection, we use classification methods, specifically binary logistic regression through a neural network model with a single output layer using the sigmoid activation function. The accuracy of the model was 93%. For food recommendation, we built a neural network model to train and implement content-based filtering. The accuracy of the model was 85%. There are tools and libraries we use in the machine learning part, including Google Colab and VS Code as IDE, Python as the programming language, TensorFlow for developing machine learning models, NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib for plotting, and Scikit-learn for pre-processing the dataset.
For our toolkit in the cloud environment, we have carefully chosen fundamental tools like Visual Studio Code, Postman, and Google Cloud Platform to enhance our development and testing process. In the infrastructure of our cloud-based system, we deploy the backend on the App Engine and the machine learning model on the Cloud Run. For the backend, we use Express.js as the framework and JSON Web Token for secure authentication. We also utilize MySQL2 and SQLS libraries to streamline interaction with the MySQL database that we deployed from the Cloud SQL. For the communication between the backend and the machine learning model APIs, we utilize Axios library for handling HTTP requests and responses, ensuring data exchange between the two APIs.
And result mobile development. I will explain the tools used. The first tool, Android Application Development IDE. Android Studio is an integrated development environment IDE, specifically designed for Android application development. By providing various tools such as code editor, emulator, and profiler, Android Studio simplifies the process of developing and debugging Android application. Then the second tool is use collaborative design platform. Figma is a web-based collaborative design platform that allows teams to work together in real time to create UI UX prototype. Application demo. Onboarding to user profile. Onboarding, user will be presented with an onboarding pack. The provide us a brief overview of the application and the main feature of it. And then go to the page login and registration. User can log in by entering the username and password. For new user, they can register by filling in the registration form, which include username, email, and password. And then go to the homepage. After logging in, user will be directed to the homepage which display various menu feature, promo, display, and article.
In terms of mobile development, we've used Android Studio and Kotlin to realize our goals. It takes more than just code to create a functional, user-friendly experience. We now focus on mobile development and employ programs like Android Studio, Figma, and GitHub. Using Kotlin as our programming language, we have created a userful mobile application that run and multi-platform. It's a solution, not simple an apps. Application feature. Number 1, stroke detection. User can fill in information related to hair health. The result will show a high risk associated to stroke. Number 3, article. User can find article related to health and lifestyle. Number 5, favorite and search. User can mark favorite article and search to find specific article. Number 7, user profile. User can manage their profile, including changing professional information and setting preference.
Okay, this is our planned local deployment. The first is timeline, and in January we are working on project planning. In February and March we are working develop UI UX, develop backend, and making machine learning model. In April we are testing and quality assurance. In May we are deployment and user training, and in June we are monitoring evaluation and iteration for our application. For budget local deployment, we are some details about that, and the total about budget for local deployment is 70 million rupiah. Moving on, business pitch and go-to-market proposal. This is our target for user application, and there are some target about age range, profession roles, specific attributes, and hobby interests. Okay, moving on budget for information. This is our details for our budget. There are some team salary, budget for research, marketing and sales, market research on others. And the total is 140 million rupiah. And this is our budget for planning about our startup. Okay, the next profit projection per year. This is planning for a profit projection per year in our apps, and the total revenue is 21 million rupiah. And I think, okay, thank you for it.
In conclusion, the Stroker project isn't just about technology. It's about enhancing life, making a difference where it matters the most. We encourage you to join us on this journey to better health in the future. That's all from our team. Thank you for your attention. Stroker, strike out stroke.